The poinsettia is a commercially important flowering plant species of the diverse spurge family. Indigenous to Mexico and Central America, the poinsettia was first described by Europeans in 1834. It is particularly well known for its red and green foliage and is widely used in Christmas floral displays. Poinsettias bear dark green leaves between 3 and 6 inches long. Cultivars may have pale green, cream, orange, or marbled leaves. The top leaves are a modified form called bracts. These are brightly colored, red in the species, although cultivars with a broad range of pink or white bracts have been developed. The actual flowers are small yellowish structures located in the center of each leaf bunch. In subtropical conditions, poinsettias are shrubs to small trees growing 2 to 16 feet tall. Water only if the surface of the compost is dry, and continue watering sparingly. Increase humidity by spraying gently with water every few days. This will help keep the leaves and bracts in tip-top condition. While poinsettias are typically purchased already potted from a garden center or nursery, if you're planting a poinsettia, choose a well-draining peat-based potting soil for best success. In warm climate zones 9 to 11, poinsettias can be planted into the landscape where they thrive best in well-drained, acidic to neutral soil. Mulch should discourage the development of root rot. Suggesting companion plants or arrangement plants for poinsettias include other Euphorbia species, chrysanthemum, holly, ornamental pepper, Christmas cactus, kalanchoe, caladium, azaleas, peace lilies, and ferns. The whole plant and its sap, latex, are used to make medicine. Despite safety concerns, people take poinsettia to treat fever, stimulate breast milk production, and cause an abortion. They also take the latex for pain, to kill bacteria, and to cause vomiting. Some people apply poinsettia latex directly to the skin to remove hair, treat warts, and heal other skin disorders. There is no good scientific evidence to support any of these uses though.